I'm here today with Jeff Jiricka, and we're in his home shop having a look at a beautiful car that you're going to be able to see at Motorama 2022 in April and May. So, Jeff, a 55 Chevy, the iconic Chevy. How long have you had this car?
I bought it in 2016. It's a car that I always wanted as a kid, and thought one day I'll be able to afford to buy it and do it, and I've done it now.
And as we spoke earlier, this is a U.S. car, come out of the U.S.?
It's a U.S. car, but it's locally bought. The whole bottom of the car, actually from about halfway down the doors all the way around the back, I actually welded all new sheet metal in. So there was a little bit of rust that had to be contained with, and but now I know what I got, and it's all nice new metal.
And it's all done here except for?
Everything was done in my shop here except for the paint and interior.
Okay, wow. That's quite an accomplishment in itself.
Yeah, I try to do everything myself.
Well, it helps keep costs down.
Yes,
you can get all the right parts in the car.
That's right.
Excellent. And drivetrain, what are you running in this for?
Running a 350, it's board 30 over, and so it's a 355 700 R4 and Detroit locker rear end with 355 gears.
Okay. You did mention too that EFI system, and you use a fair bit of electronics in this car.
Yes, it's running a Holley EFI system. On board, I'm running a digital Dakota digital system with all satellite. So it's all nicely tricked out.
So the car's, as you said earlier, the car's learning as you drive it. So
yes,
it's figuring out its settings and where it's got to be, and mixtures and fuel and air and all that.
It does all that. Yeah, as you drive in different altitudes and everything. I built it to actually run across the U.S. with this car eventually, and it'll adjust to different altitudes, etc.
So very drivable, just like really getting into a street driver today as far as electronics and controls.
It is, yes.
Fantastic. Now, interior, I think you mentioned that it was something that you purchased out of the States?
Yes, out of Ciadella's. They're just out of Scottsdale, Arizona. And I had a local person here, Steve, Red Mile, install it.
The car is gorgeous. I mean, the paint's stunning. What can you say about a 55 Chevy? Yeah. I mean, they are just the iconic. Chevy got it right that year and finally come out with something to kick everybody else's butt.
Yeah, I love the car. The car turned out beautiful. I'm so happy with. I built it, and hopefully you can enjoy it as much as I enjoy it. And again, all the components in that. If something needed to be made, I made it myself here, just with what tools I have, and it's a build that I hope I can
Well, you'll certainly be proud of it, because it is absolutely gorgeous car.
Oh, thanks.
You can see this car at Motorama April 29th to May 1st. That's the only place you're going to see it until he's out driving on the roads this summer. So come on out to Motorama. We'll see you all then.